Hello, my name is Shantae, and today I have 3 new remote work from home jobs that I have to share with you today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys, I have a Facebook group. It's called WFH Mom Squad. But let's go ahead on and get into it. All right, so the first remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is actually with North. So with North, they're looking for a customer retention representative. Now, you have to have open availability for this position. The hours are 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. And with this position, the qualifications that they want is someone with a high school diploma or GED, a minimum of 1 year experience in a call center environment, minimum of 1 year experience as a sales, retention, or loyalty representative is preferred, and you must be able to balance assertiveness and empathy when negotiating with North customers, excellent oral and written communication skills, demonstrate ability to achieve and exceed goals. The pay for this position is going to be $14 to $18 an hour. All right, so let's go ahead on and tell you about the second position. So the second job that I'm going to share with you today is with Point 32 Health. So Point 32 Health is looking for a member services advocate, okay? Now the training hours for this position is gonna be 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and you have to have at least 100% attendance and training, meaning you have to be there each and every day. Now the requirements for this position is going to be an associate degree or equivalent work experience. So the experience that they actually have on here is 0 to 2 years of relevant work experience. They do want you to have customer service experience in healthcare, call center, or corporate, knowledge of medical terminology, and prior training in working in a virtual or remote setting. Okay. And then for this position, the pay is going to be $21 an hour. All right, so before I tell you about the third remote work from home job, let me tell you about the job application kit that I have. So I have a remote job application kit that's available that provides you with all the resources you need in order to be successful with finding a remote job. All right, so you can find that job application kit at momsquad8.gumroad.com/lowercase letters L as in Larry /VDCMF. All right, so check that out, you guys. All right, so the third and last remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is with Loan Depot. So Loan Depot is looking for a customer advocate representative. Now with this position, the requirements are a little bit different. So if you have experience with the loan process, then you probably already have all the qualifications. But the qualifications is a minimum of 2 years of SPOC loan servicing experience, which is loss mitigation experience. Also experience working in a contact center environment. Ability to navigate inbound and outbound dollars. Ability to pass the nationwide mortgage licensing system. Black Knight MSP or DOS experience preferred. Excellent written and verbal communication. If you speak Spanish, that's a plus. And a bachelor's degree is preferred. If not, all you need is a high school diploma or GED. All right, so thank you for watching. And the pay for that position is $16.35 to $29.09 an hour. All right, so thank you for watching, you guys. Be blessed, and I hope that this helps someone. Once again, I have a Facebook group, WFH Mom Squad. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.